Imagine spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on a machine, only to discover you don't fully control it. You can't repair it, you can't unlock certain functions, you can't access the software needed to fix it, and if something breaks during harvest season, you might have no choice but to wait days, or even weeks, for an authorized dealer. Now imagine that machine is a tractor worth over $500,000. That's the reality many American farmers say they've been living with for years. And now, after one of the biggest right to repair battles in American history, John Deere has agreed to a proposed $99 million settlement that could reshape the future of ownership, technology, and consumer rights. But this story is about much more than tractors. It's about a question that affects nearly everyone. When you buy something, do you actually own it? Or are you simply renting access to software controlled by a corporation? Today, we're diving into the explosive fight between farmers and one of America's most iconic companies. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this lawsuit could have consequences far beyond agriculture. Chapter 1. The company that built American farming. For generations, John Deere represented something powerful in America. The green tractors became symbols of farming itself. Many families passed Deere equipment from one generation to the next. The company built a reputation for durability, reliability, and innovation. For decades, if you saw a John Deere tractor rolling across a field, you knew exactly what it represented. American agriculture, hard work, tradition. But over time, tractors began changing. They became more advanced, more computerized, more connected. Modern tractors now contain sophisticated software systems, sensors, GPS technology, onboard computers, and digital diagnostics. In many ways, today's tractors resemble giant rolling computers. And that's where the controversy began. Chapter 2. Farmers start asking questions. For years, farmers noticed something frustrating. Even when they owned their equipment, they couldn't always repair it themselves. A mechanical problem was one thing, but software problems were different. Certain repairs required access to specialized diagnostic systems. According to lawsuits and regulatory complaints, many farmers argued they were effectively locked out of fully repairing machines they legally owned. Critics claimed that only authorized Deere dealers had access to some of the most important repair tools and software capabilities. That meant farmers often had limited options. Call the dealer. Wait for availability. Pay the service fees. Pay the repair costs. And hope the delay didn't impact critical farming operations. During harvest season, downtime can be devastating. A broken tractor isn't just inconvenient. It can directly impact a farmer's income. Chapter 3. Why repair speed matters. Many people outside agriculture don't realize how time-sensitive farming can be. Imagine planting season. Weather conditions are perfect. Every day matters. Then your equipment fails. Now, imagine waiting several days for a technician, or waiting for software authorization, or waiting for a dealer appointment. The financial consequences can be enormous. Farming already operates on thin margins. Fuel costs fluctuate. Equipment costs rise. Weather remains unpredictable. Adding repair delays creates another layer of risk. This is why the right to repair movement gained so much momentum among farmers. Many argued they weren't asking for free repairs. They simply wanted access. Access to diagnostics, access to tools, access to information, access to the ability to fix equipment they already paid for. Chapter 4. The right to repair movement explodes. What started as a farming issue soon became something much larger. Consumers across America began facing similar frustrations. Smartphones, laptops, cars, game consoles, home appliances. Many products were becoming harder to repair independently. Manufacturers increasingly controlled software, parts, tools, and documentation. As a result, the right to repair movement began gaining national attention. Advocates argued that ownership should include repair rights. If you buy a product, you should be able to fix it, or hire an independent technician to fix it. Without artificial restrictions, the debate spread across industries, and John Deere became one of the most visible examples.